What's up, guys? Skywarp here, doing another video on a EDC update for 2019. Yeah, 2019. I have not done an EDC update in a long time. So, pretty much my EDC, well, it's changed a lot over the years. So, we'll start with, I went back to my old wallet. Check it out. This is my old fossil wallet, Old Glory. Yeah, I change out wallets every day. My Oakley, trying to find it. Straight Links custom. They are custom, by the way, guys. Look at that. It says custom right there. These are really good. Not these are actually good sunglasses for going out places, guys. So good, good sunglasses. Um, still wear my Tissot watch. By the way, yeah, I still wear that sucker. Um, I got a cross pin with a stylus, and there's a pen, pencil, and there you go. See, there's pretty much how, you know. And then here's my old flashlight, Old Glory. There you go. See, old Phoenix LD09. Good flashlight, guys. Got my knife opener. Got my old knife opener here. Pretty cool. Um, got my keys. And here's my. Well, here's a little update for you guys. I've been wearing this Leatherman tread, and I'll tell you guys, this thing rocks. I love this thing. I've had it for a couple months now. This thing rocks. I'm glad I got this because it's so good to use. And I carry a coin pouch, just a little an ordinary, generic coin pouch. And I carry a hat, which I have patches on here. They are Velcroed. They're very much Velcroed. And the knife of the day, my full track. So, I hope everybody likes this video. Please rate and comment and subscribe.